Good morning, Morton West. Today is Tuesday, November 17th. Please join me in standing for the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. And today, don't forget, is a half-day bell schedule for students. You check in with your teachers if needed. What does today mean as asynchronous instruction? Students, you will be provided with opportunities by your teachers to redo, retake, or review. This is something that I'm sure everyone was reminded about yesterday. No new assignments or graded work are assigned specifically for this day. What are teachers doing today? Teachers are continuing to work within their PLTs, their teacher learning groups, to reflect, reconnect, and make sure that we are planning the rest of this semester out for all of our students. And happy birthday. We have a lot of November 17th birthdays. We have Farella, Augustine, Alejandro, Cameron, Leilani, Alejandra, Jonathan, Jose Armando, Ruby, Noemi, Yalen, Erica, and Jasmine. Happy birthday to all our November 17th birthdays. And we have two staff birthdays today. Happy birthday to Mr. Battistoni in CTE and Miss Hernandez in math. Hope your day is fabulous. And some of our health and safety reminders, the importance, I can't talk about enough, the importance of 6 feet apart, washing your hands, and wearing that mask. Have any questions about how this looks at Morton West? Don't feel free to stop by or send me a message. And financial aid workshops, they are coming up this weekend on the 21st and on December 9th. There are opportunities for you to meet with this ISAC representative and fill out seniors, either the FAFSA or the alternative app. One of the other is required for graduation. And we have 2 virtual college visits today. We have Rockford University at 11:30 and Indiana State University at 12. And Tuesday's club, couple different club opportunities going on. Remember, it's never too late to join a club. We have robotics, we have tutoring, ecology club, intramurals, photo club, and Mexican folklore. Try something new. And from our health service office, as a reminder, if you are a senior and you have not turned in your proof of meningitis, please do so now. Freshmen, if you have not turned in your physical exam, immunization record, or dental record, those are also due now. Remember, families can upload these into Skyward, or if you're not comfortable with that, please feel free to drop off at our greeter's desk. Any questions, please email Miss Gay, whose email address is listed there. Medical documentation can also be faxed to the number at the bottom. And this week, students are continuing to take portraits for our yearbook. Remember, you must come only on your assigned day and time. This is to help us allow for social distancing and all the safety protocols to make this event safe for all of our students and staff. And from the dean's office, Friday's coming up quick, and it is a Spiritware giveaway. So students, whenever you come to use our remote learning space, you are entered into a weekly raffle. Don't forget, the reassessment center is available for students needing a redo or retake. There is a appointment requirement for that. And from the dean's office, don't forget this present not engaged code that will be entered for students who log into class, but the teacher's not able to make visual, verbal, or nonverbal contact. What that means is the teacher may see a student is logged in, but the student never uses their video, their mic, or chat options. In this case, the teacher will indicate that you may have been physically present but not engaged. This is meant to provide parents and students a comprehensive understanding of classroom performance while looking at the difference between attendance and participation. From our Morton West Guidance Office, questions about anything. These people are here for you and available every day. You can set up a virtual appointment. You can email them, or you could contact them by phone. And the TSI tip for the week: can't unmute yourself fast enough in class, then you can try Control-Shift-M to mute and unmute quickly. Good tip, TSI. And our Morton West lunch locations, we have the 5 locations across our community. Remember, Morton West does do hot meals here, and all of the places listed do both single day and 5-day meal packs. And remote learning spaces, we're here every day, 7:30 till 3:15, and teachers are available during office hours, though not today because it is a half day and teachers will be moving into their PLTs and doing some wonderful professional development. And remote learning spaces, seniors, this is a place for you to work in our Knowledge Center. There are a couple limited spots available. You can click the link here. We have November 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. There are a couple spots here this week for you to come use our Knowledge Center to do your remote learning. And the highlight of this week's Morton West Wellness Series is anger management. What is anger, you may wonder? Anger is a normal human emotion that's generally felt as a reaction to something negative that's affected us. We all feel angry from time to time. Anger is often called a surface level or secondary emotion because we tend to use anger as a mask for other vulnerable feelings. Many times, what is causing us to express anger is an underlying feeling of feeling overwhelmed, attacked, afraid, disrespected, forced, trapped, or insecure. For more information about anger and anger management, please check out this weekly newsletter. Thank you to our student support team who puts this together. And tonight is what we've all been waiting for, this community event. Teachers are invited, parents are invited, students are invited to come together for a discussion around Dear Evan Hansen. Keep in mind, community is our strength. Tonight is the English session at 6 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there. And tomorrow night is the 6 p.m. Spanish section. Hope to see you and your parents involved. And Tapestry has its first celebration of families tonight. There is virtual bingo at 6 p.m. Tomorrow, there is a bunch of different resources and recipes that will be available for families. Thursday is the virtual family night via Zoom. You can register through the Zoom link below. And tomorrow, Wednesday, November 18th, is the virtual participation in some very fun baking activities. So check out the meeting tomorrow at 11:45 to learn more about the FCCLA. And first semester grades and finals timeline. Teachers will be talking about this now, kind of highlighting some key weeks here for students about what you need to be doing and focusing on and what your teachers will be doing to help guide you. And our Morton West annual food drive. The food drive is going on now through November 24th. The top 3 student winners and top teacher win a pizza party for their family. Thank you all for giving back. And the Morton West Student Support Fundraiser is going on now. The purpose is to ensure that our families have a meal during the holidays. This is an opportunity, again, to give back to our own community and support the Student Support Fund for holiday meals and all year round. Where can you find the announcements? Here's some places, and any other suggestions or ideas, don't hesitate to call me or email me here. And yesterday's daily attendance was in the 90s. Good job, Mustangs, at 90%, with our weekly average last week being 98%. Morton West, it's Tuesday. It's a half day. It's an asynchronous day for you students. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.